Iba ang pakiramdam ng talo.
Uy!
Joke lang.
Watch out na lang kayo sa Chiwiwi. Watch out, watch out.
Chiwiwin or lose? Chiwiwi pa rin.
A.
Yung patience, mas nakilala namin sarili namin through these difficult challenges. Kung hanggang saan yung kakayahan namin and also yung weakness. Nandun yung acceptance.
And it's because we had communication. We always communicated. And that was the key to our victory.
Personal experience, yung sa pag-balance dun sa vlog. Kaya nahulog din ako doon. Pero it was really fun, nevertheless.
Yun, masaya rin, sobrang saya kahit bago ako. So, naka-experience ako sa gantong event ng Smart Raid or Raid FX. So, maraming salamat.
Kakaiba dito parang Survivor of the Philippines kasi. So yun, mas mag-unbuild pa rin yung relationship ng mga colleagues.
And yun, nag-participate lang naman yung lahat. And medyo kinulang lang, hopefully by next time makabawi.